Right, you can't see me, but late start today. Mainly because I was coming down with a cold earlier, but I seem to be okay. So, we're off to Brecon. Nothing strenuous today because I'm not feeling up to it. We're going to park in Brecon and then we're going to have a bimble round. We're going to park by the River Usk, have a bimble round Brecon town, and then we are going to decide from there. So, anyway, we're having an overnighter today. We're having an overnighter in Brecon, is what we're doing. Because I know you like the car camping, don't you? You do indeed. So, we're going to the Promenade apparently. We're at the Promenade Brecon. So. Okay, we're in Powys. We're in Powys. We're in Brecon. Might go for a walk. Look at this. Great. We are at Brecon, not just the beacons, the town of Brecon, in Powys. We've just pulled up at a beautiful park up. It's on the Promenade. It's right on the River Usk. I think it's called the Boathouse. It's listed as the Promenade. The first car park I took, the sat-nav took me to, the Promenade, was just some concrete car park. But this is stunning. This is right on the river. So yeah, it's absolutely packed. Loads of campervans. They look tiny in the middle of the mall, but you can park for £1.97 in Powys. I think that's per car park. So we're gonna have a great night, undisturbed. Well, undisturbed apart from the other campers who've all got barbecues out. So who knows where that's going to end up. But yeah, it's beautiful. And I think we've got a walk planned in the morning. Either got a walk planned or we're going to drive round to a lake and walk around a lake. I'm not sure which it is. It's a late start today because I wasn't feeling too well. I wasn't feeling too well this morning. Have a look at this. Don't think you can see me, but you can see that sunset. It's going to be coming down there. We are parked at the Promenade. of the boathouse. I don't know why it's called the Promenade, because the Promenade took me somewhere completely different. An horrible car park. And I'm glad I moved. This is so pretty. And anyway, yeah, here we go. Look at this. I know. Nice. You like that? Did you like that, dear? Yeah? Is that a nice bed? We're going to get quite a nice night's sleep tonight. Eh? We get a good night's sleep tonight. Both of us. Both of us. A good night's sleep. Oh, how about that then? How about that then? Both of us having a good night's sleep. Hmm? Oh, nice. It was morning. 7:30. 7:30. Everyone's packing up because they start charging at 8. So we're going to park here today. So we'll have breakfast, whether to go off to the lake or whether to go to Cap Currig, don't know, something Currig. Anyway, it's the Iron Age Hillfort up the hill. That cold's turned into a chest infection now, so I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to do that today. Anyway, to do, pack the car up, get dressed, pay for parking, and we'll catch you in a bit. Bye. It's turned. There's clouds all coming over. It was lovely this morning. I just made coffee. Look at this. But we paid for parking for all day. So I think we're just going to hang around here for the day. Just have a walk up and down the river, walk into Brecon, have a look round. There's supposed to be a really nice church. I think there might be a cathedral, I'm not sure. There's an ancient woodland up by it, which is the path that we were going to take had we decided to go for a walk today. Or I could just do the walk the other way around. I don't know. Decide in a bit. Okay, bye bye. We're just going to have a walk into town. I don't know. I'm not sure about this weather. I'm not sure whether it's going to rain or whether it's just cloudy. I don't fancy anything strenuous anyway. I can see the church, so we're just going up and have a look at the church. I wonder. We've managed to accomplish the main aim anyway, which is to test out the car camp again. It's got to be up to scratch because I'm out in it for 4 nights next weekend. 4 nights. I've got a holiday booked. Look at all this. Yeah, ducks. Catch you in a bit. Bye. Short one today, or this weekend rather. Like I said, I've got a bit of a chest infection, so I'm not feeling up to it, and it looks like it's going to rain. So that beautiful sunshine we had this morning was about the best we're going to get, I think. I don't fancy getting caught out on the mountains when it's raining with a bad chest, because I've got a couple of days booked holiday and I'm heading up to the lakes. So yeah. Success in the fact that we've tested the bed out. The dog likes his new bed, which means I get a good night's sleep without him crawling all over me. I'm pretty pleased with that. So yeah, short one, some for out. So I'll catch you next week if you fancy joining me. Bye bye.